Hi everyone, I'm Bobby Huang, Director of Product Marketing here at Blueprint, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our new features that have been released in the 1.5 version of our data virtualization tool, Conduit. Now, data virtualization has become fairly popular in the last, I'd say 18 months or so, simply because there's been a lot more scenarios where companies are trying to integrate large data sets and query or aggregate them. And so traditional ETL methods have, I guess in recent times, proven to be cumbersome and time-consuming in order to analyze big data sets with lots of different data sources. So we invested and built out this really cool data virtualization tool, and I want to tell you about some really cool features that we've developed for this last release. So the first thing is additional Spark cluster attachments. So when you're querying and analyzing really big data sets, we're talking like thousands of files, millions of records, this feature allows additional VM power to be attached to your processing so you can analyze those big data sets faster. So no more sitting around waiting hours for some query to run. This is a great feature. People have been asking for it, and we finally made it happen. Second thing I want to talk about is caching for all data sources. Caching is important in data virtualization because there are lots of cases where users want to go grab something out of source data. And I'm sure if the folks that work and play with data a lot know that you really want to leave source data alone, especially data that's being written to all the time, because business can't go down if your source database is what all the new data records are being written to depend on, right? So what caching does, similar to the ETL process, is instead of doing a big batch scrape in the middle of the night when business is closed, caching lets you take new data, stick it in memory for as long as you want that cache to last. So if new folks are hitting that table, they're going against that memory stored cache rather than the source data, thus minimizing impact to that data set. We've also made some enhancements to our S3 connector, which we can go into more detail about if that's something you're interested in. And lastly, something that I think is really cool, kind of nerdy, but we went ahead and created a feature that allows flattening out of JSON data. Now, for those who understand and played with large nested JSON files, you understand that trying to write PySpark code to turn JSON data into relational queryable data is really, really difficult. So we've embedded a feature inside of Conduit that allows you to do that seamlessly. So you can query JSON data like it's a relational table very easily and very fast. And so I just wanted to share those features with you. And if you have any questions, if you want to talk data virtualization or get on a free trial, just reach out. We're more than happy to help.